In this video, you will learn the exact save game location for FIFA 18 on PC so you can back up your progress or transfer saves safely. Open up File Explorer and go to C drive and go to Users folder and double click on your username folder. If you doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it. And now open the Documents folder. Open the FIFA 18 folder. This is where all your game progress will be saved. Before updating the game or switching to a new PC, back up the files. I show you guys how to do it. Go back, right click on the FIFA 18 folder, copy and paste it in another location. And if something goes wrong, you can just copy and paste it in this location and your game progress will be back. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.